My dear students, good evening. Morning I have uploaded first year organic chemistry flowchart. Flowchart. Most important exam point of view, all competitive exams, all named reactions will be covered here. Both first and second day. Morning, what I have discussed, entire preparation of alkenes, alkynes, how you prepare acetylene, how you prepare benzene, what are the name reactions of benzene, what is which reaction, what is the name reaction benzene, alkylation, acylation, sulfonation, nitration, each and every reaction morning flowchart covered. So at present, again I am going to take another flowchart which is most important for secondary chemistry. So please listen, please watch. Here also so many name reactions we can observe. Calcium carbide reactive with water, you know very well. And calcium carbide reactive with water, we get acetylene, you know very well. Calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis. Undergoes, we can say calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis, we get acetylene. So what is a acetylene? Acetylene. Here A is nothing but acetylene. The calcium carbide reactive with water or calcium carbide CaC2. The formula of calcium carbide is CaC2. Calcium carbide. Calcium carbide. Acetylene. Okay. Acetylene, red hot tube. Acetylene is passing through red hot tube. We get benzene. Morning also you have discussed benzene. B is nothing but A is acetylene. B is, what is B? Yes, B is benzene. B is nothing but benzene. Okay. Acetylene passing through red hot tube, delta heating, we get benzene. Okay. Another preparation to prepare benzene. Phenol reactive with zinc dust. Phenol reactive with zinc dust, we get benzene. Phenol reactive with zinc dust, zinc oxide, again we get benzene. Or okay, sodium benzoate also react with soda lime, we get benzene. Morning we have discussed that issue. Okay, here acetylene passing through red hot tube, we get benzene. Phenol react with the zinc dust, we get benzene. Okay. Next, benzene name reactions. Benzene react with methyl chloride, anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. We get, what is this? Methyl benzene, we have informed. Benzene react with methyl chloride, anhydrous AlCl3, we get methyl benzene. What is C? C is nothing but methyl benzene. C is nothing but methyl benzene. Benzene ring contains CH3 group. Or toluene, we can say toluene, methyl benzene or toluene. Toluene undergoes oxidation. Potassium permanganate KMnO4 is a good oxidizing agent. Potassium permanganate is a good oxidizing agent. So when toluene, benzene, B nothing but benzene reactive with methyl chloride and anhydrous AlCl3, we get toluene. Or benzene contains methyl group. So I can say methyl benzene. Methyl benzene undergo oxidation. If they mention KMnO4 or K2Cr2 goes with potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate, they are good oxidizing agents. So they convert to acids. That is nothing but benzoic acid. What is that? That is nothing but benzoic acid. You kindly keep it in mind. Wherever toluene, potassium permanganate he has mentioned, potassium permanganate is oxidizing agent. When toluene undergoes oxidation, we have benzoic acid. CH3 converted to COOH. Here potassium permanganate undergo oxidation. So CH3 undergo oxidation. Methyl benzene, or you can say toluene or methyl benzene undergoes oxidation. We get benzoic acid. Okay. Next, benzene sulfonation. Benzene react with sulfuric acid. We get benzene sulfonic acid. What do you get? Benzene sulfonic acid. SO3H. Benzene sulfonic acid. B nothing but benzene. Benzene react with sulfuric acid, fuming sulfuric acid. We get benzene sulfonic acid. SO3H. What is that? SO3H. Benzene sulfonic acid. Here XO. What is that? Benzene sulfonic acid. Next, benzene react with FeCl3 chlorine. Chlorobenzene. What is that? Chlorobenzene. Halogenation. Benzene react with chlorine in presence of FeCl3. We get chlorobenzene. Benzene contains chlorine. Chlorobenzene. Okay. Benzene acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Benzene acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3. We get acetophenone. COCH3. Morning we have discussed. Then acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is nothing but Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If you say methyl, alkylation. If you say acyl, CH3CO, benzene contains COCH3. Then acetophenone. What we can say? Acetophenone. This is nothing but chlorobenzene. If benzene contains chlorine, we can say chlorobenzene. This is nothing but acyl benzene or acetophenone. Okay. Next, benzene undergoes nitration. Already morning I have discussed it. Nitration mixture. Con HNO3, con H2SO4 undergoes nitration. We get, what is that? Nitrobenzene. Benzene room undergo nitration. What is NO2? Nitrobenzene. Benzene B nothing but benzene. Simply I have mentioned benzene. Benzene undergo nitration. This is nothing but nitration. Nitrobenzene, HNO3, H2SO4. How you prepare benzene to nitrobenzene? Benzene undergoes nitration. We get nitrobenzene. And the most important one, nitrobenzene undergoes reduction. Tin/HCl. The reagent used. Tin HCl. Nitrobenzene undergoes reduction in presence of tin SL HCl. We get I. What is I? Aniline. What is I? Aniline. NH2. Benzene contains NH2, that is called aniline. Aniline. Most important. Nitrobenzene to aniline. How you are going to achieve? Nitrobenzene undergoes reduction in presence of tin/HCl. Nitrobenzene undergoes reduction. We get aniline. Okay. At the same time, aniline react in presence of NaNO2, sodium nitrate and HCl. We get J. What is J? Benzene diazonium chloride. Most important one. N2Cl. N2 plus Cl minus you can write. When aniline, I nothing but aniline react with sodium nitrate and HCl. We get benzene diazonium chloride. Here what is J? J they have mentioned. Here I is aniline. J. This is J. What is this? Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene, BDC. I can say simply benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium. This is the structure of benzene diazonium chloride. When benzene diazonium chloride react with potassium iodide, we get S. What is S? What is S? Iodobenzene. Benzene contains iodine. Benzene contains iodine. Benzene diazonium chloride react with potassium iodide. We get iodobenzene. Here shall I mention this one? N2Cl. Benzene diazonium chloride. If they react with potassium iodide, we get iodobenzene. If they react with CuCl oblique HCl, cuprous chloride, then they will get what is K? Chlorobenzene. Aryl halides. What you can say? Aryl halides. Benzene means aryl. Halides. X is nothing but chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine. Aryl halides. So, benzene diazonium chloride react with potassium iodide and heating, iodobenzene. Benzene react with CuCl, cuprous chloride, we get chlorobenzene. Benzene react with CuBr, HBr, bromobenzene. What is that? Bromobenzene. CuCl means chlorobenzene. CuBr means bromobenzene. CuCl, chlorobenzene. CuBr, bromobenzene. CuCl means cyanobenzene. Benzene contains cyanobenzene. Cl. Benzene contains cyanobenzene. CuCl cyanobenzene. CuBr bromobenzene. CuCl chlorobenzene. This reaction is nothing but Sandmeyer reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride N2Cl react with CuBr, cuprous bromide, then that is nothing but bromobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride react with cuprous chloride, we get chlorobenzene. Cuprous bromide, bromobenzene. Cuprous cyanide, cyanobenzene. This reaction is nothing but Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer. This is this one. Sandmeyer reaction. Next, benzene diazonium chloride react with CuHBr, we get bromobenzene. We get bromobenzene. CuHCl, chlorobenzene. This reaction is nothing but Gattermann reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride react with CuHCl, chlorobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride react with CuHBr, bromobenzene. If you have take both CuHCl, CuHBr. If they take CuHCl, we get the chlorobenzene. If you go CuHBr, you go bromobenzene. The reagent CuHCl or CuHBr. Reactant benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene contains N2Cl, N2 plus Cl minus. Okay? Here these are three: CuCl, CuBr, CuCl Sandmeyer, CuHCl, CuHBr వచ్చి Gattermann reactions. What is that? Gatterman. Gatter. Gatterman reaction. Next, benzene diazoxide chloride react with HbF4, fluorobenzene. What is that? Fluorobenzene. Benzene diazoxide chloride. Fluorobenzene. Benzene diazoxide chloride react with HbF4. We get fluorobenzene. HbF4, fluorobenzene. Ki, iodobenzene. CuCl, chlorobenzene. CuBr, bromobenzene. CuCN, cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene undergoes hydrolysis. Cyanobenzene undergo in presence of ethyl alcohol undergo hydrolysis. We get benzoic acid. Most important one JE bit. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. So here, phenol react with methyl chloride aqueous NaOH. We get N nothing but salicylic aldehyde. Remarkable reaction. Ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde or salicylic aldehyde. Remarkable reaction. Phenol react with methyl chloride, aqueous NaOH. We get ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde or salicylic aldehyde. This is nothing but remarkable reaction. Another same phenol react with sodium hydroxide, carbon dioxide H+. Here P is nothing but salicylic acid. OH, COOH, salicylic acid, salicylic aldehyde, CHO, salicylic aldehyde. This is nothing but COOH, salicylic acid. Another one here, benzene diazoxide chloride react with sulfuric acid, undergo heating. We get phenol. So these are all the here phenol, salicylic aldehyde. This is nothing but cold. Phenol react with sodium hydroxide, presence of COH plus cold bed remarkable reaction. Alkylation, acylation, sulfonation, chlorination, nitration, nitrobenzene to aniline preparation, tin HCl, calcium carbide water, acetylene. Benzene ring contains N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride undergoes reaction with potassium iodide, iodobenzene, CuCl HCl, chlorobenzene, CuBr HBr, bromobenzene, CuCN HCl or KCl, cyanobenzene. This reaction nothing but Sandmeyer reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride react with CuHCl or CuHBr. If you say CHCl, you have chlorobenzene. If you see HBr, we get bromobenzene. That reaction nothing but Gatterman reaction. Here reagent CuHCl, CuHBr. Sandmeyer CuCl, HCl, CuBr, HBr. CuCl, CuBr. Sandmeyer Cu/HCl, Cu/HBr. Next, benzene diazonium chloride react HbF4. Fluorobenzene. What is that? Fluorobenzene. Here, acetylene react with red hot tube, passing red hot tube, undergo heating, benzene. Phenol react with zinc dust, we get benzene. So this is the entire picture. This picture will give you have a clear cut idea. If you are thorough with the memory reaction, remember timer, Kolbe reaction. Another one. This one. Benzene react with CO, HCl, CuCl or anhydrous Cl3. Benzalic है. Garterman कुछ. CH4. Formylation. Aldehyde means formylation reaction. Formylation. CHO. Formylation. This is nothing but benzene. B means benzene. React with carbon monoxide and HCl reagents. Oblique anhydrous AlCl3 or CuCl. Cuprous chloride. This is the reactants benzene. This is the product benzene to benzaldehyde. The reagents carbon monoxide and HCl, anhydrous AlCl3 or CuCl. This is nothing but Gattermann coach. Gattermann coach. So benzene to benzaldehyde, nothing but Gattermann coach reaction. So Gattermann coach, Sandmeyer, nitration, sulfonation, each in here. Acetylene preparation of benzene preparation, how you prepare acetylene, all the named reactions covered. I wish you all the best. God bless you. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Your Chandra sir.